has to offer. General Ogolla was in a very special class. Yesterday, as I thought of this function and what I was going to say, the truth came to my mind to speak truthfully about the man that lies in the casket in front of us. Because General Ogolla represents the best of what Kenya has to offer. We are meeting here for this farewell service for the first ever in the history of Kenya of a serving Chief of Defense Forces in office who has passed on. And we are here to say bye-bye to a consummate military officer, a passionate, accomplished military commander, and a patriotic citizen of Kenya with great humility. Lessons on humility characterize the life of General Ogolla. Even in his death, he is giving us lessons and lectures on humility. This very function is the epitome of humility. And when it came time